Class 12th subject physics 11th chapter magnetic materials. From this chapter let us see some of the formulae. First formula gives the torque acting on a magnetic dipole, in magnetic field, and therefore the torque acting on a magnetic dipole in magnetic field is given as torque equal to m cross b, that is equal to mb sin theta, where m will be the magnetic dipole moment, and therefore torque equal to m cross b, that is equal to mb sin theta. Second formula gives the magnetic potential energy, um equal to minus mb cos theta. Magnetic potential energy um equal to minus mb cos theta. Third formula gives the period of oscillation of a bar magnet in magnetic field. So when any bar magnet is oscillating in magnetic field B, then the period of oscillation T equal to 2 pi square root of I upon mb, where I will be the moment of inertia of that magnet, B is the magnetic field, and m is magnetic dipole moment of that bar magnet, and therefore T is equal to 2 pi square root of I upon mb. Then fourth formula gives for an electron revolving around the nucleus, the current due to that revolving electron is given by the formula I is equal to E upon T, that is current equal to charge per unit time. So I is equal to E by T, which will be further given as EV upon 2 pi R. Fifth formula gives the orbital magnetic moment of a current loop. Orbital magnetic moment of a current loop is given by the formula m equal to Ia, that is magnetic moment m is equal to Ia. This will be the formula for any current loop. That will be given as half EVR, and therefore the magnetic moment for that current loop m is equal to Ia, that is equal to half EVR. Sixth formula gives the formula for magnetization. So magnetization m is equal to mnet per unit volume, that is net magnetic dipole moment per unit volume of that sample. Net magnetic moment per unit volume of that sample will be magnetization. Then seventh formula gives magnetic permeability, that is mu equal to mu 0 into 1 plus G, where G is susceptibility. Then eighth formula is for Curie law, that is m is equal to C into B by T, that means m is proportional to B by T, that is m is directly proportional to B and m is inversely proportional to T, and therefore we will get m equal to C into B by T, and the susceptibility is proportional to 1 by T. Therefore we can say that susceptibility is inversely proportional to temperature. Similarly, ninth formula gives the relation between magnetic susceptibility and temperature. So magnetic susceptibility and temperature are related by the formula susceptibility C equal to C upon T minus Tc, C upon T minus Tc, where C will be Curie constant and Tc is Curie temperature. Therefore, susceptibility C equal to C upon T minus Tc. So these are some of the formulae related with the chapter magnetic materials.